Good morning, student. Today's topic is urban form. First of all, what is urban form? Urban form is an arrangement of all the individual units in our urban area. Individual units are building, streets, parks, and other land use. So, by definition, urban form is an arrangement of individual activity such as building, parks, and building, street, parks, and other land use. Okay, so urban form is an arrangement of individual activities such as building, streets, park, and other land use is known as urban form. As well as it also include as well as social group, economic activity, and public institute in urban area. So, urban form is an arrangement of individual activities such as building, street, parks, and other land use. It is an arrangement of all these individual activity, as well as it will include social group, economic activity, and public institute in an urban area. It is known as urban form. Clear? So what is urban form? Urban form is arrangement of individual activities such as building, streets, social park, and other land use, and as well as it will include social group, economic activity, and public institute, where in an urban area is called urban forms. Okay, now we know that urban transportation provide linkage between employment and population or residential use. Urban transportation provide linkage between what? Residential and industrial. Residential and industrial or employment area, such as large industry or commercial area. Clear? Urban transportation provide linkage between residential and industrial area or employment area such as large industries or commercial area. So basically it leads to the development of the urban area. So what urban transportation leads to development of urban area. Clear? Urban area. So the transportation, so what we can say that transportation directly affect the growth of that urban area. What? Urban transportation provide linkage between residential and industrial area. It provide a linkage, so indirectly or it directly affect the development of the urban area. It will develop the area. So transportation play a vital role in the growth of the urban area. So transportation affect in the growth of area or urban area. Clear? and if the growth is uncontrolled, the uncontrolled growth is due to what? Urbanization. If the growth is uncontrolled due to urbanization, then the facility which we provide due to transportation will be lacking, so it will reduce in the quality of the urban area. So uncontrolled growth due to urbanization leads to decline in quality of urban area. Clear? And which type of quality will be decline? So it will be like a crowded bus, crowded train, narrow streets, congestion in the streets. Okay, these are the problems: crowded bus, trains, streets, or narrow streets, etc. are the problem which will constitute in the given area. Will constitute in given area. Clear? So the transportation makes a decision in the form of the city, in means in which form city will grow. Clear? So transportation play a major role. So the transportation decision made influence in the future or in the form of the city or town. In which form city will grow, that will depend on the transportation planning. Therefore transportation decision made influence in the future form of the city. And the various form of the urban are various form of urban area are in which form city can grow or urban area can grow. There are widely four types. First, finger type. Second, radial type. Third, linear growth or linear type. And fourth, grid pattern type. Clear? In four form the urban area can develop. First in finger type, second in radial type, third in linear type, and fourth in grid pattern type. Clear? So what is urban form? It is the arrangement of the various activity. Transportation play a vital role in the development of the urban area, and it affect the growth of the area. If it is not provided well planned, then it will lose the quality of the urban area. Which type of quality? Crowded bus, train, street, narrow street, congestion in the street, etc. will be the problem. So in the development form of the urban area, transportation play a vital role, or it made influence, and various types of forms are finger type, radial type, linear type, and grid pattern.